In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change dimension text size in AutoCAD. We will look at two practical approaches. One that updates all dimensions tied to a style, and another that updates only the specific dimensions you choose. Clear, legible dimension text is crucial for plotting and review. And the right method depends on whether you want a consistent standard across your drawing or a one-off adjustment for a particular callout. First, let's use the Dimension Style Manager, which is the recommended method for global changes. Type dimstyle in the command line and press Enter. In the Dimension Style Manager, select the active style you are using in the drawing and click Modify. Navigate to the Text tab where you'll find the text height setting. Increase the value of text height to the size that best fits your sheet scale and visual standards. Remember, this value is in drawing units, so think in terms of how large the text should appear when plotted. When you are satisfied, click OK, then Set Current, then Close. This updates all dimensions that use that style and ensures that any new dimensions you create with the same style will match. It's a clean, consistent way to standardize appearance across your project and avoid scattered overrides. Now, if you only need to adjust a few specific dimensions without changing the entire style, use the Properties palette. Select the dimension or dimensions you want to change. Type Properties, or use the shortcut CH to open the palette. Scroll down to the Text section and locate Text Height. Change the text height value to the size you want for those selected items. This creates a local override that affects only the dimensions you picked, leaving the rest of the drawing unchanged. It's great for exceptions, like a tight space where slightly smaller or larger text reads better. Keep in mind that using many overrides can make long-term maintenance harder. So reserve this approach for special cases where you truly need a unique look. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.